Hello, good evening, guys. My name is Sahil, and welcome to the channel. So, we have started a series of technical analysis where we are analyzing various stocks and indexes on the basis of technical chart patterns and derivative data. So, continuing the series, as of today, 23rd of July, the next stock we are analyzing is United Spirits Limited. So, let's just without wasting any time move to the analysis. Yes, so as you all can see on your screens, this is investing.com, the source I am using to analyze the United Spirits Limited stock, and this is a daily chart pattern of the stock. And as of today, 23rd of July, the stock has given a close at the levels of 610.95, and we expect that the stock prices can move up from here. If you look at this red line, this is the 50 DMA level of the line, and this purple line is the 200 DMA level of the line, and the 50 DMA level of the line has given a positive crossover to above the 200 DMA level of the line, and whenever this happens, this is called as golden crossover. And usually when 50 DMA level of the line crosses the 200 DMA level of the line, thus usually the stock prices move upwards. And whenever this golden crossover happens, uh, there is a sharp upside seen in the stocks, and we expect that in medium term the stock prices can move up from here. Also, if you look at the RSI, the RSI is currently at the levels of 53.65 and is showing positive signals that the stock prices can move up from here. And so if the volume supports in the coming trading sessions, the stock prices can see a sharp upside from these levels of 610.95. So if someone is looking to invest in United Spirits Limited stock, he can buy with a short term target of 618, and second short term target of 626, and third short term target of 632. And while doing so, he should keep a stop loss at the levels of 593. While if someone is looking to invest in United Spirits stock with a medium term view, so he can do so with a positional target of 676, and while keeping a stop loss at the levels of 558. And let's just confirm it with derivative data also. Yes, so as you all can see on your screens, this is the NSE website, the source I am using to analyze the derivative data of the United Spirits stock. So let me just zoom in a bit for you all. Yes, so as you all can see, the highest OI currently stands at the level of 620 strike price with a OI of 10,98,750. So with the highest change in OI also of 6,06,250. So this stands as a short-term resistance for a stock, and after that the highest OI stands at the level of 700. So yes, the stock prices can move up from here if it can give a move up to the levels of 700 if the stock prices gives a close above 620. And if we analyze it with through over the put side of the data, the highest OI stands at the levels of 4,55,000 with a strike price of 550, which stands as a major support for this stock and also matches with our positional stop loss of the United Spirits stock. And also if we look at the highest change in OI, then highest change in OI stands at the strike price of 600, which is of 1,08,750. So as per derivative data, the near term support for the stock stands at the level of 600. That also matches with our technical analysis data with a short term stop loss of 593. So yes, if someone is looking to invest in United Spirits Limited stock, he can do so with the, if he is looking to buy with a short term, then he should keep the targets of target 1 of 618, second short term target of 626, and third short term target of 632, while keeping a stop loss at the levels of 593. And if someone is looking to invest with a medium term view, he can do so with uh, keeping a stop loss at the levels of 558 and medium term target of 676. And before ending this video, there is a disclaimer here that the recommendation and analysis is only for the educational purpose. Do not consider it as a buy or sell call. Thank you for watching the video.